Hello. Today we have to solve the most interesting maths question, that is x times x minus x times x, and this is equal to 100. So to solve this interesting question, solution, the question is x times x minus x times x, and this is equal to 100. Now we know that x times x, this is equal to, this is in the form of a times a, and this is equal to a cube. So similarly, also this is in the form of a times a, this is equal to a square. Now similarly, this will become x times x is equal to x cube minus x times x, this is equal to x square, which is equal to 100. Now in the next step we have to move this 100 to the left side, so this will become x to the power of 3 minus x square minus 100, which is equal to 0. Now in the next step we know that this 100 can also be written as a 125 minus a 25. So we have to replace 100 by 125 minus a 25. So this will become x cube minus x square minus 100 is equal to 125 minus 25, and this is equal to 0. Now in the next step, x cube minus x square minus time 125, this will become minus 125 minus time minus is equal to plus 25, and this is equal to 0. Now again we know that this 125, this is equal to 5 times 5, which is equal to 5 cube, and here 25, this is equal to 5 times 5, which is equal to 5 square. So we have to replace 125 by 5 to the power of 3 and 25 to the 5 square. So this will become here x cube minus x square minus 5 to the power of 3 plus 5 square, which is equal to 0. Now we have to relate these and to combine with having the same power. So this will become, it implies x to the power of 3 minus 5 to the power of 3 minus 5 to the power of 3 minus x square minus 5 square minus time minus equal to plus. So this will become minus 5 square, which is equal to 0. Now to solve this interesting question, here we have to use two identity. For this we have to use the identity that is a cube minus b cube, this is equal to a minus b bracket times bracket a square plus ab plus b square. And for this we have to use the identity that is a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b bracket times a minus b. So we have to use this identity for this and this for this. So to apply this identity, this will become here, to apply this identity for this, so here a minus b, so it's equal to x minus 5. It implies x minus 5 bracket times a square plus ab plus b square. So a is equal to x, so x square plus ab, so this will become 5x plus 5x, and b square mean 5 square plus 5 square bracket minus. For this we have to use this identity a plus b and a minus b, so this will become x plus 5 times x minus 5, and this are equal to 0. Now here x minus 5 times x square plus 5x, here x minus 5 and x minus 5, these are common, so we have to take common, that is x minus 5, that is common. Here this left, that is x square plus 5x plus 5 square is equal to 25 minus, here this left x plus 5, and this is equal to 0. This x minus 5 taken common, so here this left and this. Now in the next step, x minus 5 times x square plus 5x plus 25 minus time x plus x is equal to minus x minus time plus is equal to minus 5, and this is equal to 0. Now in the next step, to solve this interesting question, this will become x minus 5 bracket times x square, 5x minus x plus 5x minus x, this is equal to plus 4x. Here 25 minus 5 plus 25 minus 5, this is equal to plus 20, and this is equal to 0. So here we obtain two cases. This is case number first and this is case number second. Here x minus 5 is equal to 0, and here x square plus 4x plus 20 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to, we have to move this to 5 minus 5 to the right side, this will become plus 5. So this is the first real value, and the value of x, that is x is equal to 5. Now we have to solve this side. We know that we have to solve this by the quadratic formula. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 20. Now we have to solve this by using the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now we have to put these values: a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 20. So this will become x is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of b square, which is equal to 4 square, minus 4ac. So 4 times a is equal to 1 and c is equal to 20 over 2 times 1. Here c is equal to 20, b is equal to 4. So this will become minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 20 over 2 times 1. So in the next step, x is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 square is equal to 16, minus 4 times 20 is equal to minus 80 over 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Now in the next step, x is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of, here minus 80 plus 16, this is equal to minus 64 over 2. Now in the next step, to solve this interesting question, we know that x is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of, this will be also written as 64 times minus 1 over 2. Now this is, we know that here square root of a times b, this is equal to square root of a times square root of b. Square root of a times b is equal to square root of a times square root of b. So to apply this condition here, this will become x is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 64 times square root of minus 1 over 2. X is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 64, this is equal to, we know that square root of 64 is equal to 8. So this is equal to 8, and here square root of minus 1, this is equal to I. So we have to place 64 by 8 and square root of minus 1 by I. So this is I over 2. Now x is equal to, we have to common 2 here, so 2 taking common, minus 2 plus minus 4i over 2. Here this 2 cancel with this 2. So x will be equal to minus 2 plus minus 4i. So these are the complex value. Minus 2 plus minus 4i. These are the complex value, and we know that the case at case number first here x is equal to 5. This is the real value. Real value. So we have to consider this real value at x is equal to 5. Now we have to check our answer, either x is equal to 5 is correct or not. The question is x times x times x minus x times x is equal to 100, and we know that here x is equal to 5. This is the first real value. So we have to prove for this value, that is x is equal to 5. So here to place substitute x by 5, so this will become 5 times 5 times 5 minus 5 times 5, which is equal to 100. So here 5 times 5 is equal to 25, 25 times 5 is equal to 125, minus 5 times 5 is equal to 25, and this is equal to 100. Now 125 minus 25 is become 100, which is equal to 100. This shows that the left hand side and the right hand side are equal, so the value of x is equal to 5 is correct. So here the value of x is 5. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel.